Are y'all ready to make some oxtails? I mean, these oxtails right here, baby. Come on. Mm. Mm. OMG. Mm. We gonna make some sliders out of these oxtails too, y'all. I mean, look how tender these are, baby. I mean, I will be crazy not to make some sliders out of these. All right, now what you want to do is, if you're going to do it the way I did it, what I have here is my oxtails that I have been marinating in some Caribbean jerk marinade. And this is the one I use by KC Masterpiece. If you're going to do the one I am doing, use this brand. But okay, let that marinate overnight. I'm gonna go ahead and get them all set out real fast. Let them kind of drip dry. We're not gonna wipe them off or anything. We're gonna just let them drip dry. Now look, before you get started, I know some of these are small, but I didn't have much to choose from with the packs. Plus, it's just gonna be me and my wife eating them anyway. So I will be using some Stubbs jalapeno rub. This right here, I never had it, y'all, but we're gonna see what this tastes like. I do got a feeling it's good because it's got jalapeno in it. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and taste it right now so we can just get an idea of how it tastes like. I never even opened this yet. Um, that might be a little too hot for the wife. It's fighting to come out for some reason. But folks, you get the gist of it. The main thing is get them all nice and covered in whatever rub you decide to use. All right, now that's about what you want right there. We're gonna let that sit around and hang out a minute. Let it get all acquainted and everything. Let's go get the smoker ready. All right, guys, you already know I'm gonna be using the Masterbuilt Smoker. We're gonna be cooking at 250 Fahrenheit. And we're gonna do this for the whole cook, but it's gonna be a 2-process cook though. It's 2 stages or 2 steps, whatever you want to call it. But we're gonna keep this at 250. The first part is the smoking part. Then the second part is when we start to get it nice and tender. So let's go ahead and get our smoker set up. We will be cooking at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for a total of 5 hours. Now make sure all your exhaust vents are closed for that first hour. Guys, I will be using hickory to smoke my oxtails. You can use whatever wood you want. I usually like using a mixture of hickory and mesquite, but I don't have any mesquite right now, so hickory will have to do. And we're gonna fit this in here. We're only smoking for the first 2 hours. You put your chips in every 30 minutes. See you back here in an hour when we open our vent for the second smoke. All right, guys, we are at that 2 hour mark here. And we just gonna get these babies off of here real quick. Ooh, look at them. They looking so nice and juicy. I mean, look at that, folks. Whew. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna transfer them over. Touch that hot plate. We're gonna transfer them over. Transfer these to our little pan right here. If I can get them, grip it. Okay. I know some of these are little, but you know what? It's just gonna be me and my wife eating them anyway. And I'll probably eat most of them. She probably eat like maybe 4 of those. And what you want to do is get you some beef broth, stock, either or, but I prefer stock. I really was looking for some kasume, but they always out of it, or it's always gone, or they don't stock it in the right place. I don't know, y'all, but we just gonna kind of just line the bottom of it. We ain't gonna pour it in too thick. We're just gonna give the bottom of it a little lining like that. And then we're gonna cover that with some foil. We're gonna cover that with some foil. And in case if y'all ever wondered, you know, there's a sunny side and a dull side. The dull side goes toward the food, and that is just to prevent sticking. This has a non-sticking like agent on it, or however they make the foil, but that's pretty much what that's for, so the food doesn't stick to it. Other than that, that's all. It's nothing special. Get this all nicely and tight and sealed. And we're gonna throw this back in the smoker, keeping it at 250 for another 3 hours. All right, see you back here in 3 hours. All right, folks, the time has come, but we're gonna let this cool off a bit before we dive into it. All right, woo-hoo. I am excited. How about y'all? Well, let's go ahead and dive in here. Ooh, we look at them babies. Ooh, y'all. I don't know if I can show you. Okay, hold up. I know we got to give it a taste test because we gonna make some. I don't know. Well, let's give one of these a try of tops first. Mm. Mm. Gotta get another one of them. Another one, y'all. Mm. Mm. OMG. Mm. Mm. We're gonna make some sliders out of these oxtails too, y'all. I mean, look, check it out. Let me show y'all something. Look how tender these oxtails are. I mean, you can eat them straight out plain. You can eat them with something, or you can smash them up like this here. And like I said, yeah, we're gonna make some sliders out of these. I mean, come on, that's so nice and tender. Oh man, and think of all the possibilities. Hey, what's up, YouTube? Thanks for stopping by my channel. Hit that like button, leave me a comment. I drop videos once a week. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching. Yeah, you know what to do.